तो ये है मेरे लास्ट घर का फुल होम टूर बिफोर एंड आफ्टर, क्योंकि बहुत लोगों ने कहा कि ये ओरिजिनल नहीं एआई है। सो हियर आर द एक्चुअल बिफोर क्लिप्स एंड ऑनेस्टली तब मुझे खुद नहीं पता था कि मैं कभी ये पोस्ट करूँगी। तो ये हॉरिजॉन्टल फॉर्मेट में है, सो प्लीज़ बेयर विद मी। सो दिस वाज माय गेस्ट रूम, bedroom 1, and then I had another bedroom which we were using as our master bedroom. And here comes the transformation. So this is our new garden area and this is another view of it. And then comes the entrance which we completely transformed, and this is my living area with this gorgeous wooden partition. We genuinely poured our heart into making this space. Then comes our bedroom where we broke a window into a door and created this backyard from a dusty unused space. And honestly, we spent some really beautiful evenings here, and honestly this home became a part of us.